There blank a book in my bag is are. A book, only one thing, so is. There is a book in my bag. There blank 5 books in my bag is are. 5 books, plural, takes are. There are 5 books in my bag. What about this? There blank a book and a pen in my bag. This, guys, is a list of things. We choose there is or there are here based on the first word, a book. Only one, so is. There is a book and a pen in my bag. I don't care about the pen here. Might be surprising to you, but this is one of the not so logical rules in English grammar. There blank books and pens in my bag. Here also we have the list of things, so we follow the first word, books, plural, so are. There are books and pens in my bag. I'll see her after work at a cafe or at a cafe after work. After work is time, at a cafe is a place, which comes first in a sentence, guys. Time then place or place then time. Well, the correct order is place then time. So this is the correct answer. At a cafe after work. I'll see her at a cafe after work. We blank watching TV at night. Would like. They're quite similar in meaning, but would like is followed by to, but like can be followed by ing. And since we have watching here, ing form, so like is the correct answer. We like watching TV at night. My office is blank the second floor. In, on, at. Which do we use with the second floor? Here is a house. This is the first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, with floors of a house, we use on. I live on the second floor. My office is on the second floor. She studied hard. She failed in the test. So or but. Here we have an action. She studied. And the result of this action, she failed. Every action, guys, has 2 results. Expected results and unexpected results. If the action is followed by the expected results, we use so. But if the results are unexpected, we use but. For example, in this sentence, the action is she studied. When you study, guys, you have 2 results. You may pass the test, and this is the good result, or you fail in the test, and this is the bad result. Here we use so, I study, so I pass the test, and here we use but. I study, but I fail. Same like here, studied, then failed. So, but. She studied hard, but she failed in the test. We have very blank sugar, little or few. Well, we use little with uncountable nouns like sugar, salt, juice, milk, any powder, any liquid. And we use few with countable nouns like boys, cars, etc. Anything that we can count. The word here is sugar, and sugar is uncountable, so we use little here. We have very little sugar. That's the shop, blank, I bought my shoes. That, which, where. Well, we use that after people or things, and we use which after things, and we use where after places. Here we have the word shop, which is a place, so we use where. That's the shop where I bought my shoes.